Oh, okay. Okay, I can see the preview. It seems like it's on a very good quality. And yeah, the previous one is there. So I guess it's everything fine, I think. I think it's everything fine. Uh, can I copy paste the video URL? Seems to be working. The live stream seems to be working. Yeah, okay. Well, there's a little preview that I'm gonna pause it because I don't want to uh, sacrifice my bandwidth because I'm streaming on Wi-Fi. So yeah, I mean, I guess. Oh, okay. Now it's showing on my YouTube homepage. Nice. Okay, so um, I had gotten off to basically have a little break, getting dinner and a bit of water. And before that, I tried to solve the bug, and I found that I was casting the wrong point, the wrong struct. So I was casting backend. Instead, I needed to cast the data of the backend. So it's a silly mistake, but now if we go to build the software and run it, it now shows the window. And the first event seems to be an exposure event, which seems to be related to drawing, I think. Well, I don't know exactly, but now we can listen for button presses, which is nice. So the current structure of event handling seems to be working quite nicely. Although I want to get this uh, a bit better. So we are going to use we want to make it better. Like basically handling all kinds of events basically. The birth rate seems to be lower, but I think that's fine. I saw the previous one and it doesn't seem to be to have a bad quality. So I mean that would help. That helps. So okay, we want to write the event handling, and I don't want to only handle input event. I want to handle basically any window events that could happen, like resizing the window. So I and also mouse movements and stuff like this. Keyboards and X events. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I want to now listen to the window resizing. we can resize the window with this XCB configure window. Okay. Okay. Can I don't want to implement higher level applications, although I want to see what it is. Python property ICCM casings event. Okay, they have some libraries for that, but I want to make it my own because I want to integrate between windowing systems. So there's automatically generate documentation for the XCB protocol bindings. Oh, I see. It's a toxin. I see. So I want to know about the XCB API. Oh, that's actually quite handy to know about. I see. So if I can Control F resize. We have resize request events in Xproto. I mean, I think this is including XAB include Xproto, I think. Yeah. I mean, what? I see. So size. Okay, so we can ask for listening for resizing the window. We just need to put the mask there. I mean, there's so many masks to put. What? I mean, whatever. So we are going to listen to that. So case XCP resize request. Okay, now if I compile, run, and I try to resize the window. Oh, it works. Nice. It's raising and resize events, although it's quite a lot. A lot of resize events. Maybe because of the high polling rate of the mouse. I see. Okay. So with the resize events, what we can get by the resize events? How do you treat these? Let me see the developer event. The tutorial again for how they handle events. Oh, they just cast the events. I see. Okay. Seems simple enough. So it's XCP resize, and this just is XCP resize event. It's just a cast. So I see. So we get the window, the and the width and height. So, okay. Okay. So if we just need to okay, so we just need this X11 backend connection. I mean, we can just get this the window to be resized. And we get the value mask. I mean, what is the value mask? I mean, we just pass a list. Okay. Let me. I think there was window contents and manipulation. Resizing a window. Okay. XB. Oh, I see. Config. Window. Width. XCP. Config. Window height. Then we can also get the values here. Resize. Width. Okay, this is not static and not const. I mean, it needs to be const. 16. Yep. Does it need to be 32? I mean, I think this cast is fine. Okay. So they should. Let me close this actually and add the part of the comment to resize the recompile. Okay, and when we resize, is this working? Wait a second. Printf the new line with height values 0 values 1. I mean, it's outputting, but it's all 0. Okay, that's weird. What? So why? Okay, why in the events you cast the event? First, like here. Yeah, you cast the events there. Why? It's not working. Size, width, size, height. Yeah, it's 0. Yeah, it's all 0. Why? Uh, that's weird. That's very weird. So, that's not expected. I need to know something. So, why this seems to not work? Why the event request doesn't work? Let me see if I'm casting. Yeah, I think I'm casting the right thing. XCP resize request, XCP resize request, and yeah. Okay. Actually, let me search break on here. UI size a window in XTP. Give me the AI. XTP configure window. Yeah. The exact thing I did, right? You get the connection, then you get the window. XCP event mask structure not XCP event mask structure notify. Wait, okay, I think I need to readapt again, but with another. So it seems to be another event type. I mean, there I can always be wrong, but okay. XCP, what is the name of the event? Is structure. I mean, I hit my mic, sorry. Okay, XCB configure notify. Oh, I see. XCB configure notify. So mask structure notify. Oh, I see. I was just using the rogue event. I see, I see. Thank you. So configure notify. Okay, there's a lot of events to okay. Uh, okay. Weighted height, but I X configure Y. I see. Okay. Is this going to resize the window? I don't know. Okay. Values 2 and values 3. Oh, it's not reading a new line. Oh, I forgot it. Okay. I saw 0. Is this like a... Okay, I don't know why. Am I missing something? XB, CW, event mask. Okay, I don't think I'm missing something. XB, event mask, structure, notify. Yeah, attender list for this structure. CFG width, CFG Y. Let me rename this. No, I think it's fine. Why is to 0? What do you mean I need to initialize? Oh, I mean, I feel like it is. I don't know if it's. I mean, it should. It still should be the correct values. No. Hmm. I mean, that's kind of disappointing. Um. So. Oh wait, I'm. Oh my fucking god. I think I'm a dumbass. Yeah, I was casting the wrong type. Okay. What are the different values? Me. Okay. CFG width, CFG wide, height. We need 32 values. Nine. I mean, it's just being dumb. XCP event mask structure notify. Okay. I mean, cast the notify event at the tracks. Hmm. Okay, this doesn't seem to help. Response type bad, sequence window width height, but okay, this page seems to be more interesting. Let me see. Text font I want. Key release, bottom release, exposure, pointer motion. Okay. How about events? I mean, just seems to be the okay. I read this and this seems just to be the other tutorial, I think, but on a older version. Hmm. Complicated. Wow. XCP configure request. Why it's so simple? Why isn't simple? Like, why this doesn't work? I'm so confused. Doesn't feel doesn't feel right. Does can I not the go anyway? Let me talk. I don't care. I want. Uh, Let me see. Like, maybe let's see code. Is the AI smart enough? What do you mean? X11 top levels event mask? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, is it just two? I mean, here's just two. I think this one break. I mean, it doesn't break, but it doesn't work either. Hmm. Doesn't seem to be working. Structure notify. Yeah, I'm using this. I mean, yeah. Okay, I see. Maybe if I change to, maybe if I change to wait, it might work. No, it doesn't. I mean, it's not even breathing. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna use a bigger, I'm gonna use a bigger gun. Wait a second. Uh, Checking my email. Yes. Enter. Please. Hmm. Okay, I have the bigger gun. This is the big gun. Okay, now it's time. Uh, Bigger gun. Oh, never disappoint. Exposure, structure notify, please key press. Let me also put key press because I also gonna need it for later. Button press, key press, structure notify. Oh, No, I don't think so. Doesn't even precise. It doesn't even trigger. Oh, uh, completely stuck. I don't know how people actually learn these. Like, it's so crazy for me. Oh, wait, again? No, no fucking way. Oh, yeah, that's why. Oh, I see. Still isn't working? But why? Why was working before? Even for man, why it was working before? Okay, still doesn't work. Why? Oops, I forgot to add the code. Stop. Oops, let me send the entire file to the other now. Da, da, da. Uh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. It was another thing. I see. That's why sending the entire file to LLM, XCP, CW, back, pixel. Hmm. Okay. Oh, it's working now. Everything's working. Look. Thank you. Solve my problem. What resources do you recommend to learn about how to interact with X11 via XCP or creating a custom GUI toolkit? I need learning resources for that. Hmm. Okay. So this seems to work now. Look, nice. It resizes very fast indeed. Expose event and coordinates. Very nice. Nice. Well, just a bug, unfortunately. Yeah. I think I can. Oh, yeah, because. Oh, I see why. It's from the mask that defines the. Okay. That's funny. Okay. So We now have a window. It triggers exposure event and can also get the coordinates and the size of the window. Okay, it's going to be fun. Maybe we can start doing the renderer. I don't know what to do on the renderer. Let me ask the LLM. I also study to how to do rendering on a GPU. Yeah, I'm probably doing OpenGL, maybe Vulkan. GeoDisplay. This would also work with Wayland. Interrupt. Can I make the render code interrupt proper? Interrupt with Wayland as well. Yeah, nice. EGL doesn't have Windows support. I see. Platform dependent context creation. WGL. I see. Oh, I see. They are different APIs. And also macOS, I think it doesn't even support OpenGL and Vulkan anymore. I mean, maybe via MoltenVK, but yeah. So, how many? Okay, it was a quick part two. I'm very happy for the result. I think we can start doing some drawing on this window, actually. I just want to clean up the code a bit and also program the event handling stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little break. And I'm gonna be right back. Actually, let me check something. I'm streaming. Okay. I'll be right back. Hello, hello. I'm back from the little break. Let me reset the Windows size. How do I reset the Windows size? Anyway, I'm just gonna recite like this. Okay, hello, hello. I'm back. We can see. Now we can see. Okay, rendering I'm gonna do separately, but for now I want to finish the window event handling part. So we have a nice base for to work on the render. Okay, so I actually don't want the to use the I want to create my own event stuff, event handling layer, and I have all the other platforms to adapt on it. So let me actually refactor this. So it would be this, and I would get this. Okay. I actually really want like I mean, there was some annoying bugs. I mean, not bugs, but some errors, kind of hard to spot. Also because I'm not that used to C, and I'm not that used to programming window handling stuff. So like X11 or Wayland. But comparing when I was trying to learn the Wayland protocol, this is way simpler. Like, dude, this is so much simpler to implement. I tried to do this on a similar thing, but on Wayland. But it needs to have a lot of outlines and other build system parts, like you need to do the scanner of the protocols, and yeah, you need to the code, you need to register the different interfaces. It was quite a burden and not really that user friendly. I mean, developer friendly to use the Wayland APIs. Except that on the XCP for the on the other hand, it's actually really cool. It's really good. This I'm quite enjoying actually. Doesn't feel like boilerplate hell at the moment. Everything seems to make sense. Okay, so I want to window. I want to work on the event system. Def and um, I think I'm gonna also change like how I write this. Top level, Wayland, top level, Cocoa, Ruin, top level, Win 32, Ruin, top level, window. I'm just gonna delete the other ones. Ruin, top level, key, key up, key down, mouse, uh, win, window, yeah, key up, key down, mouse, window. Maybe there are other events we want to listen to. Let me get to the actual tutorial guide to see what event they listen to. So motion, button press, button release. Okay, enter. Okay. Button press, expose. Okay. Okay, like that. Search. Top level. Uh, key up. Then you want key code, and I think it is Q32. Uint 32 B. I think it is. I mean, key up and key down are the same type, so yeah. Mm, X and Y. Mouse and then the window. I mean, I'm just gonna send everything, not gonna lie. XY width and height. Actually think about how many time how many is what is U16 max number? What is the max number of U6? Okay, I think we can uh, save some bits at this. 32 seems a little bit wasteful, at least for coordinates. Okay. Going top level again, type, and white star. White star for everything. I love fat pointers. Okay. So we gonna basically transform this XCP button release and okay. Mm, not level. Oh, who you? Oops. Okay, now it's the right value. Um. Okay. Event type, and then event data will be the window EV. So window EV will be top level event event mouse event window event window will be Okay. Okay. Can I get the maximum size? Uh, see. Hmm. Me. I mean. I mean, it's just a pointer anyway, so I don't think it matters that much. Yeah. It's because I need to be careful about allocations actually. So yeah. What if we make it 64? So this the data is 64 bits. I think I can't cast. Not even if I do this. Window, div, right, H, X, X, Y, Y. Okay. What is Neogen, by the way. Okay. Gonna put the big gun. Actually, I don't think I need big gun. C gas spread to 0.64. Oh yeah, Union. I forgot about it. I don't even need this. Union. Uh, I forgot that there is union on C language. Okay. Is union C89? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. This is really good. Okay, I can use unions, no problem. I really like union. Okay. Okay. Um, okay, let me do the other events. XCP. Oops. Mm, it just um I need to talk more, right? I'm just really bad at talking and programming at the same time. Okay. So it's gonna XCP button press event. We are going to configure the event, but instead of key up. I see its mouse. Oh, it's more complex. But I think I just want to the event. Mm, okay. Oh, I see. So redraw. Okay. Mouse up, mouse down. Yeah. Uh, Okay, press release. Oh yeah, I want to put break. Hmm. Okay, press. This is me. Mouse down, mouse up. Okay, down. Okay, up, mouse down, mouse up. Window. And then we have E T. Okay. So it seems like the event system, I mean the code should do the same thing. It's not compiling. Ruin top level. Oh, okay. Should literally do the same thing. Now with some event handling stuff. So the event handling should be here. Yeah. Neat. Let me see window. Okay, so we got a lot of new types. That's really nice. I don't know if I want to use enums or if I want to use macro definitions, but I think this is fine at the moment. Like, I really like the result we have at the moment. So yeah, maybe we can start doing some work at the renderer and have some next stuff. Okay, let me see some to-dos. I have expose the public later, improve and error handling for excellent. Okay. I actually don't think this will be necessary. I mean, we just allocate one backend. I mean, for top levels, yeah, sure. I mean, can just do that. Okay, maybe not. Okay, yeah. Okay, really, really nice. I really like the result. I'm very happy. I'm very, very, very happy with the result. Because this is what I was looking for. And now that we have a good foundation for window handling, we can actually start some rendering stuff, which will be very, very nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end here. I I have achieved my objective, and the window handling is quite nice. We can move on to rendering. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.